Hello, my wonderful people all over the world. Let's react to this question together on rationalization of salt. The question says rationalize root 3 plus root 2, root 2 plus root 3 over root 3 minus root 2. We are going to solve it together. Solution. Because before you can rationalize, there are some things you must know. You cannot just rationalize if the denominator is not in salt form. Assuming you have something like this, root 2 plus root 3 over 2, you cannot rationalize because the denominator is not in salt form. And at the same time, if it's not division, if it's multiplication, there's no way you can rationalize. So those are the criteria you must know. Let me write out the question. We have root 2 plus root 3 over root 3 minus root 2. So the first step is to use the conjugate of this salt in the denominator to multiply both the numerator and the denominator. What do we mean? We are just going to change the sign in between these two roots. So we have it as root 2 plus root 3 over root 3 minus root 2 times root 3 plus root 2 over root 3 plus root 2. Now, what do we do? Let's just change it. We are rewriting this. We are not changing anything there. Root 2 plus root 3. Instead of saying multiplication, root 3 plus root 2 over. Note, when you have different as 2 squared, a squared minus b squared, same thing as a plus b, a minus b. So we are going to apply this one to the denominator. That means we have root 3 raised to the power 2 minus root 2 raised to the power 2. Now, let's multiply this one out. You take this one, you use it to multiply this one. You take this one, use it to multiply this one. So we write it as root 2. We bring this out and write this one because we are going to multiply with this one. Root 3 plus root 2. Then we take this one to multiply this one too. We have root 3. Use it to multiply root 3 plus root 2 over root 3 raised to power 2 is root 3 times 3 minus root 2 times 2 is root 2 times 2 raised to power 2 is root 2 times 2. We have it as root 2 times root 3 will give us square root of 2 times 3. Root 2 times root 2 plus square root of 2 times 2. This is having plus, so plus times plus is plus. Root 3 times root 3 is root 3 times 3 plus root 3 times root 2, root 3 times 2 over root 3 times root 3 is root 9 minus root 2 times root 2 is root 4. Now we have it as root 2 times 3 is root 6 plus root 2 times root 2 is root 4 plus root 3 times root 3 is root 9 plus root 3 times root 2 is root 6 over. What is the square root of 9? 3 minus what is the square root of 4? 16. 2 times 2 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Now we have it as root 6 plus root 6 will give us 2 root 6. Now will give us 2 root 6. Square root of 4 is 2 plus 2. Square root of 9 is 3. Now what do we have now? Over 3 minus 2 is 1. This one will now give us 2 plus 3 is 5. We now have it as 5 plus 2 root 6 over 1. So our answer is 5 plus 2 root 6, which is our final answer. Thank you.